Okay, here we have the Elgin model 4537E. Now this is an extra large 2-inch blue and red LED, easy to read display. It's all electric, AC power with battery backup, and the battery is included. Time ready technology automatically sets exact time with selected time zone setting. Dual alarm settings. The snooze repeats every 5 minutes. It does feature a loud and soft alarm options. I did the loud alarm. You're going to hear it in a moment. It is 4 stages of ascension, and it does get really, really loud. This clock actually is awesome. There is a dimmer switch on it too to control the brightness of the display, which I like in the back right here. I can actually do that. You see the dimmer? Boom. Now, it does have a very large snooze bar on top. There's only several buttons on the back to operate it. It is very bright. We can actually kill the light so you can see it for a second.